If you're looking for a fun night out in London, let me show you how we did it. Delicious food, an exciting basketball game, exploring the city, and of course, good vibes only. First up, Westfield, the biggest shopping mall in UK. Hi girl! Because what is a London night without a little window shopping? Just look at these stunning buildings. London might be known for its clouds, but when you catch these views, the city's charm really shines through. Dinner time, not just about the food, but the vibe here is everything. The ambience was on point, setting the perfect mood for the night. And the food, delicious. On our way to the game, but seriously, how beautiful are these views? London's skyline at night is something you just have to experience yourself.
Oh God, I'm L-R-E-E, full nigga freak. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no full nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again.
And at number 44, the big fella Alan Hatsibegovic. Head coach Peter Bozic, assistant coaches Paula Kaya and Robert Youngblood. Make some noise for your London Lions! Lions on the break.
Yes! Got it, baby!
Prescott!
To the L, to the O-P. You can catch me at a track, tennis slam with your hoes. Band popping out at party, gotta boot me for a show.
Jalen Ray, 2.
Okay, this energy, unreal. Watching the London Lions play live just hits different. Let's enjoy the game.
I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, full nigga freak. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no full nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet.
Jalen Ray with the bucket. Foul is cool. Discuss. For the sorry 89ers. to it. 3. Make some noise!
103, 103 Al. Yeah, that guy have a white baseball cap on. Not at the time, but she said they both say mid-20s, kind of light blonde hair, light brown hair. We had a mustache.
So guys, we got some pastries. I got some cookies and cheese and onion pie, and she got some cupcake and cheese and onion pie. Perfect way to end the night.